Okay guys, the next thing we're going to do is get ourselves a domain name. So the absolute easiest way to do it is right through Shopify here. You can go to a third-party domain name provider. You may already have a domain name. If you do and you want to use that domain name here on this store, then you would need to follow the steps that Shopify provide, depending on which domain name provider you're with. You'll need to follow the steps to get that domain pointed across over to here to Shopify. If you do get stuck on that at all, you've already got a domain that you really want to use, then just tag me in the Facebook group. I'll reach out to you and see what I can do to help you out with that. Otherwise, if you don't, I highly recommend we just buy it straight through Shopify. It's so much easier, so much quicker to do. So we need to go to online store and domains down here, and we need to buy a new domain. So I'm going to go ahead and see if I can drone demo store. See if I can get that. Okay, there we go. There it is. Also, on another side note, try and always go for a .com if you can. If it's a name that you really want, the .com's gone. .net is usually second best, and then any of these other ones further down. But if you can, go for the .com. If the one you want's already gone, just try and have a rethink of it, and like I say, really try and stick with that one there. So I'm going to go ahead and buy this, and yes, I thought that was going to be the case. So I'm just going to pause the video and add my details. Okay, that went through finally. So here you can check to have this auto renew every year. Of course, I'm only using this as a demo store, so I'm not going to auto renew that every year, but you're going to want to make sure that's checked. Who is privacy? This means it hides your personal details from people looking online to see who owns the domain. That's all well and good. Buy the domain. And hopefully it's going to load up. Okay, it wants me to verify my email address. That's absolutely fine. So what we're going to do now, we are going to set up a forwarding. In fact, no, we're going to do that in the next video. So yeah, that's it for this video. Just make sure you get your domain. Just let's have a quick look. We should have got rid of this part here. dronedemostore.com. Okay, it must just be taking a minute. Let's just pop this open from here. Okay, let's just go back. Okay, yeah, all good. Just taking a couple of minutes to kick in there. So now you can see that we have the dronedemostore.com. That is now our domain. So our ugly URL there is gone. In the next video, we are going to set up our customer support desk, and we're going to add a forwarding email address. So I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.